morning, dear students. Now, today's topic exercise 16.2, chapter 10, perimeter and area. So now today we will solve question number 5. Before this we have already solved question number 2, first, second, third and fourth. Now question number 5 is the perimeter of rectangle is 130 meter, its breadth is 30 meter, then we have to find what is the area. So now first of all, what is given? Perimeter. What is the perimeter is 130 meter and its breadth is given, that is 30 meter. First of all, we will find out what is the length of this rectangle. Now we know perimeter of rectangle is 2 in bracket length plus breadth. What is given? Perimeter is given 130 meter, 2, and then we have to find out, and breadth is 30 meter. Now 130, 2 on the right side, then L plus 30. 65, 2 6 are 12, 2 5 are 10. L plus 30. Now, when plus 30 change on that side, then it should be minus symbol. Then what is the length? Subtract this. That is 35 meter. So, first question, length we have, that is 35 meter. Now, another question is, what is the area of the rectangle? What is the area? You know, area should be L into B, and length is 35 meter and breadth is 30 meter. Length 35 multiplied by 30. 0, 3 5 and the unit of area is, it should be in meter square or centimeter square, but it is given meter now, so that is 1050 meter square. Clear? So now solve this question. Okay, now see this question. Question number second 6. 6 is, if the area of rectangle is 1 meter square and its breadth is 80 centimeters, we have to find what is the length of that rectangle. First of all, write down what is the area. 1 meter square and its breadth B, that is 80 centimeter. But here see, this is meter square and that is in centimeter square. Before solving this problem, first of all we have to convert all units in same. First, this should be in all or both are in meter or both are in centimeter. Now convert this 80 centimeter, it should be 0.8 meter. What we have to find? Length. The area of rectangle is length into breadth. What is the area? 1, length we don't know, and breadth is 0.8 meter. So L 1 upon 0.8 or L is equal to 1 upon, in decimal 1 is now multiply by 10 in numerator and denominator. It should be 10 upon 8. Now divide it. 2 5 are 10, 2 4 are 8. 5 by 4. Or you can write 4 1 are 4, 4 2 are 8, 4 5 are 20. It means 1.25 meter, that is the length. in meter. If you want to convert this length in centimeter, then you have to multiply by 100. Now 1.25 multiplied by 100, then it should be 1.25 centimeter. So length of the rectangle is 125 centimeter. Solve this question. 16.2, question number 2, 6 part is complete. You have to remember one more thing. Area is meter square and this is centimeter. Okay? So when you solve like this, then you will not get the answer. So first of all, you have to convert all are in the same unit, or meter or centimeter. Is it clear? Otherwise your question will be wrong. Now right? Okay. See, next question. The question is, the area of square and rectangle are the same. Means you have two figure, one is rectangle and the other one is a square, and the area of both figure are same. The perimeter of the square is 80 centimeter. Now see, the perimeter of the square are given, that is 80 centimeter. Means perimeter of square, that is 4 into side, and perimeter is 80 centimeter. Perimeter square is 4 into side. Then side is equal to 80 by 4. Means we know the side of the square is 20 centimeter. Now once again see the question. Perimeter of the square is 80 centimeter, and if the length of the rectangle is 25 centimeter, find its breadth and perimeter. Now see, the question says the area of the square and the area of rectangle are same. We know the side of the square, so now find out area square, that is side square, 20 into 20. See, like this, you can write first of all 20 square, okay, then 20 into 20, that is 400 centimeters. Question says the area of the square and the area of rectangle are same. So area of rectangle is also 400 centimeters square. Why? In question says the area of both figures are same. Now area of rectangle, length into breadth. What is the area? 400. And in question given, the length of the rectangle is 25 centimeters. Breadth. To finding the breadth, 400 divided by 25 divided 5 5 by 25, 5 8 40, 80. 80 by 5. And you will get 16 centimeters the breadth of the rectangle. So you will find one answer. We have to find breadth and perimeter both of the rectangle. Okay? Now perimeter of rectangle is 2 in bracket length plus breadth. We know 2 length is length is given, that is 25 and plus 60. 2 in bracket 41. Okay, multiply this, that is 82 centimeters. Once again, see the question. Okay, the areas of a square and rectangle are the same. Question says area of a square and rectangle both are same, but the perimeter of the square is 80 centimeter. In question not given what is the area of the square and what is the area of rectangle. Only perimeter is given. So first of all, we have to find out what is the side of the square. So now from this formula, perimeter of the square is 4 into side. You will get side of the square, that is 20 centimeters. Then with the help of this side, we will find what is the area of square. Area of square is side into side. A side square 400 centimeter square, that is the area of square. Next, the question says the area of square and the area of rectangle are same. Therefore, the area of square is 400 centimeter square. Then the area of rectangle is also 400 centimeter square. Now, the question is given the length of the rectangle and the area of the rectangle. Then, with the help of this, we will find what is the breadth of the rectangle. Now you know the perimeter of rectangle is 2 in bracket length plus breadth. We know what is the length and breadth. Length is 25 and breadth is 60. Again, with the help of this formula, you will find out perimeter of the rectangle. So now exercise 16.2 is complete. Now write down.